Hi, I made a high voltage circuit. Well, just enough to jump across those two yellow jumpers. There's the LED, it's pink. It indicates it's working well, and it's on. And I'll demonstrate. Pretty cool, huh? Turn it back on. Changes just a little bit, not rapidly. Goes from that coil, small one, step up to the big one, then enabled magnetic wire, and then it goes multiplier, and from the capacitors and diodes, multiplies each time, goes through there, and it arcs just enough for that little gap. And I'll show you one more time. Love it. Pretty cool. Mini stun gun.